Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining us on time for our live show. This is Lolly from LOM Machine.
This is Ethan from LOM Machine.
Today our topic is still our best seller, the top table filling machine. And also today we will add a new machine, it's a manual capping machine. And we enjoy our project manager Ethan to answer some questions from our clients. Hi Ethan.
Hi Lolly.
Yeah.
And welcome to our review show.
Okay. You know, last live show,
Yeah.
we have a lot of clients ask some regular questions, and we make some conclusions. And now for this time, I present them to ask you.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So first question, is this tabletop label machine suitable for all kinds of bottles?
No. It's suited for round bottles from 10 millimeter to 100 millimeter, and around the bottles is around from 10 miles to 500 miles. And above the if your bottle diameter is above the 100 millimeters from this conveyor, we can customize for you based on your bottles of the wider and the height.
Okay, so next time if you have a big one, maybe 1 liter bottles for some chemicals liquid, we can also do some customized project for you for the customized label machine, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And the second question is about what kind of speed is this tabletop one?
The speed of this tabletop label machine is from 20 bottles per minute to 100 bottles per minute based on your bottles.
Okay, so if I have maybe you know, we have a US client. He has already bought our filling line maybe 2 years ago. His speed is around 80 bottles per minute and 100 bottles per minute. Can we use this to connect with his filling line?
Yes, it's based on your bottles and the speed. You can check this part. Is it for connection from the previous machine, like a filling machine and the capping machine. And the speed of this tabletop label machine, the common speed is around 50 bottles per minute. If you want high speed, you can ask Lolly. He will introduce to you the high speed and the most suitable one.
Okay, yeah, here comes our e-catalog, and this catalog we prepared last year for CBD show. We attend the show, and they most like our machines. And you see in our catalog there is a YouTube link here, and you can scan. Okay, I will wait for you. 3 seconds. You can scan this picture and to come in our YouTube and see many videos of our real case for our clients. Yeah, and we have also some cotton machine. Yeah, cotton machine and high speed e-liquid production line. We did for market before, their market. Yeah, and also some bottles. Since we want to make our machines to do best performance, perfect performance, so we invest some factories to do the bottles and the cartons labels to ensure our machines good quality, good performance. Yeah. And do you want this catalog? just leave your email to our Facebook or Instagram. Our sales team will reply you and send you e-catalog or send you a gift if you need the real catalog. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
And Ethan,
Yeah.
the last question.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, one of my friend's clients, he wants the machines very urgently. Can it shipped by air? What's the weight?
It can ship by air or by sea,
Mm-hmm.
by your shoes. And the weight is around 170 kilogram, and the size is less than 1 cbm.
Okay. So will it cost very high by air? I know, you know, during the special situation,
Yes.
the air cost very high last month as far as I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think now the price is coming down.
Yes, correct.
Okay. So if you need the quote for the shipping cost, our pleasure to use our shipping agent to give you the best price by air, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's the most popular questions our clients asked. And now let's see how it's working. I can't wait to see the machine move smoothly. So Ethan,
Hi.
yeah, please start
Okay.
your show.
Hi everyone. Now we will introduce this tabletop labeling machine. When you get it, you will see a wooden box, and when you unpack it, you will see some parts like the spare parts, belts, and the manual book, also the toys. This is for you know the machine well and connection some parts and adjust some parts. Now I will show you how it's running. First, we can check. This is controlled by PLC, and this is the screen and the emergency stop buttons. Also the holding level and the conveyor transport. This is the adjustment for the speed of this part and the conveyor. And in the back of this machine, it has an important part named the printer. You can choose it or not. If you want to choose it, you just know us and we will know you. And this is for print the numbers and the letters on the labels, so the customer gets your product know when it's manufactured. And okay, now I will show you how to. This is the button of the switch button. Wait a second, and it will start. This is the screen, and press enter. It's the English menu, and also can choose the Chinese menu. Okay, now we choose the English. Here I have some buttons like print on, print off, and auto on, auto off, and the menu. Now I will show you the machine working like this. This is 10-mile photos. Okay, we will turn on. It's running, and the conveyor running, and the belt running. Before we start the photos, we need to check. Here are some parts. First, we need to adjust the belt and the conveyor suit for the bottles, like this. it can move smoothly through the belt and the conveyor. Okay, for now, we choose the 10 ml bottles to test the machine first. And before we start, we need to check if the machine is ready. Okay, we first check the label is installed well, this part, and check the screen, if the screen and the program is okay. If some part is lost, you need to check. If the line connection under in the body is connected well, you can open it in the back. Also, you can check if some part is loose, and if yes, you need to tighten it. Also, this part have a sensors, and in these sensors have two sensors here, so you need to check if it is the right position, and also this part the levels installed well. Okay, now we are ready, and we need to start running and test.
摄像头怎么转过来？
Okay,
点
first
到这个了。
we press the auto on. It's running, and we test the bottles. Put it on the conveyor,
拿起来
and。it's running. You can check the bottles is labeled by the machine. When some problem happens, you can adjust the settings on the screen here. Like the label the distance of the move, like it's based on the label length and the label speed. Here is the range from 1 to 99, and the labeling fairing delay time is when the label come out later. Have the 0 to 2000 milliseconds, and the label delay stop. Here you can adjust based on the bottles and the label length. You can adjust different speeds can suit for your previous machine filling or capping. Okay, now we will change another bottle for the big bottle of the 120 ml bottles. We'll adjust the label, the conveyor, and the belt to suit for this bottle. Okay, now we start the machine and adjust another one. Okay.
Now Ethan is changing another kind of bottles and labels. It's very easy, just push out the original one out and put the new one. All the instruction and the manual book will be packed together with machine. Like here, we will send you the tools and the manual book together with the machine, so you can know how to change the labels. Hi, Ethan.
Hi.
Is for the date printer?
Yes, it's printer for letters and the numbers.
Batch code. Date printer and
Yes,
batch code.
right.
And every time we come to the factory, need to turn on the heater first. Or maybe 5 minutes is enough to heat the cold carbonate.
Yes, around 5 minutes or to 10 minutes. You can test it. I will show you later after I finish the level.
Yeah, since this, this is label is the white one, you can see the performance of the printer, if it's clear or not. And some Indonesia clients ask us how it's print. Please come here. You can see it's a carbonate coat. It's a spare part. Maybe you can use it around 1 day or 3 days. You need to change this one. It's very cheap, around $3 coat. This one coat is a carbonate, and with the mode for the number 0 to 9 and the letters A2 from A to Z to change the different date and different batch code. Yeah. And be careful, it's a little hot. You will be heated, and be careful, don't be burned, hurt. Okay, now Ethan is busy for the change the mode and different bottles. I have some gift for all the waiters in our live showroom. This is an N95 mask, and we have many donations for the students, for the schools. And if you need, also leave your email. Our sales team will send you by the air if you need, or by sea. Yeah. You like it? Like it? Just leave your email. Thank you. Thank you. We have many. And also come here. Yeah. We have also many bottles in stock, like this essential oil bottles for CBD, from our US clients for some machine tests. And if you need, it's also free for you. Yeah. No matter you need 100 or 1,000, just tell me. It's all for free. You only need to pay for the shipping by sea. It's not much money. You can get all in stock one. Yeah, this one. And this one, okay. Yeah. Okay. And we also have some original 2B gorilla bottles left when test the machines. And if you need, we can also send you for free. Yeah. Okay, for these bottles, the golden neck, we have 6,000 left, 20 milliliter. If you need, also can send you. Okay. This one is 10 milliliter PE bottles. Can also suitable for these machines. If you need, we have 30,000 stock left. 30,000 left. who can first ask and you can have it.
效果好。我有好多好的，这个很明显。
有现在可以继续。
Okay, Ethan is still working. I think how many minutes will be finished?
In 5 minutes, I think.
Okay, so maybe with 5 minutes, let me introduce you for the capping machine. This capping machine is very popular this year. My clients just ordered 20 pieces this machine, and it's used for capping. After the filling machine, we have the filling machine also, we can send you the video, or you can check my previous posters, and it's for the capping. Here, this one is customized, and this is a motor, very nice motor, and will do it very Here is a cushion here for hold the bottles. Makes it cannot sleep very easily. So cushion. Here is for power, and this for emergency stop, and this is can control the cabin speed. If the cabin not very tight, you can adjust here to make it very tight one, and this one to lifting speed. It's speed for up and down, yeah, very easy. And here to adjust the height. So very easy machine. Popular for this cubic leather bottles and here. And here you can see inside the cap. This is aluminum out cover, and inside is a kind of resin plastic resin, and different cap, different white mold. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and you can see Ethan. Ethan is still working. He is adjust. You know, it always takes only 5 minutes to change the levels, the width of the conveyor, and maybe take 10 minutes to adjust the level. And here you see, here is adjust the heater for the data printer. Thank you for Naya. Thank you for you like our machines. May I know what kind of bottles you use for label, Naya? Okay, and also thank you for Indra, our older clients. You watch our videos. Thank you. Hi Naya, this machine came with date coder. It's optional. The date coder here, some in here, you see? This part is the data printer. And for price, could you please leave your WhatsApp? Our sales team will follow up and send you the detailed quotation. Hello Chris, how are you, my old friend? Thank you coming to our live show LOM. Hi Johan. Thank you come here to watch our live show. Good morning there.
上。
Hi, thank you for your time. I think we will have 3 minutes for the level, make it the horizontal. Now it's time for our show time for our project. We have been exported to many countries, to Las Vegas, to Florida, to Manchester, and Spain. These are all our projects we done before for the feeding show. We attend the exhibition every year, like Vapor Expo Chicago and Vapor Expo UK, and every year, you see. And we not only do some small machines, our main product actually are the big machine. As you see, the big machines are not easy to online show in the workshop, so we are trying to do some small one in the showroom to show you. And for the big machine, please find us on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, and also our website www.lompacking.com or www.lommachine.com to see more details. We focus on one-stop filling packing line on e-liquid and CBD project. You can see the details. And this project we did for Denmark market in 2017. This year we exported 100 bottles per minute to 120 bottles per minute, as well as CBD cartridge filling capping machine, especially popular in US. And also we have another very big one label machine. It can reach 100 bottles per minute, and for big bottles and faster. And some carton machines. The carton machines open the box, insert the bottles and leaflets, and close the cartoning machine. And also you can scan here YouTube to see how it runs. So thank you. Please remember us. We are LOM. We offer one-stop e-liquid CBD oil filling capping solution. And our team never give up any plans. Always offer the best after sales service.
Okay, now we finished the adjusting of the new bottles for 120 millimeters. Now we can show you how it's running. And before we testing, we know what we do just now. First, change the labels for big bottles, and it have the running way of different parts through the printer, the sensor, the knife, and the motor parts, and this must be locked. Also, we adjust the conveyor weights to suit for the bottle, let it go through, and this part, the belt should be a little tight to hold the bottles. Then the level will be very tight and smooth. Okay, now we testing. Press the bottle on. Okay, you see, here are the letters and the numbers on the printer, and this is the empty label. It's very smooth and not bad. You can check this part. Fine, very good.
Good.
Okay. Okay, now we will introduce this capping machine. The already have introduced these parts, and this is the NO.1. We will test it for the different bottles, and you can check this is a spare part for different capper, different size, like this big size cap and this small cap size. Now we adjust we test this bottle, small cap first, and this is for USA clients, and it's customized for 110 voltage, and you can check. This is a voltage transfer from 220 to 110 voltage. And now we press the button switch to turn on, and you can check this is the capping speed of this part, motor speeder, and the lifting speed of the up and down. And you can adjust by this screw to adjust for different heights of the bottles. Now this height is for this 30 bottles. Okay, we can try. Capping well. That's another one. Okay, we can try more.
拿过来先看一下。
Also, you can choose the speeder of this. It will be slowly, lifting speed, slowly. Also, you can adjust the capping speed from slow to fast. You can adjust it to suit for your speed. Okay, now we adjust this part to the big bottle of 120. You can see what I adjust. Just turn this screw. Move to the a little higher to suit for the bottle. Not yet. Okay, we try. Okay, the hat is still tight. Okay, we try another one. Check the height of this part.
哎，都有一些重复，还没有那种。
Okay, we try. Okay. It is still too high. We will try another one. Okay. This one is very suitable for this height. Okay, we try again. And adjust to the suitable height. Okay, now it's fine. Need a little tight. This will be very perfect. And this is the empty one, so okay, you can try more. Okay, now we try 2 more. You can check. This is tight, and the child-proof ring. Is locked and not to move. Very tight. Okay. This is suited for different bottles. We can choose different caps for different size cap. So we finished this living sure, and we can conclude that. For this is manual capping one for different bottles, and you can adjust the height of the different bottle, and also you can choose the voltage like 220 and 110, suitable for all over the world. And this one is an automatic labeling machine. It is smaller than the big one of the labeling, and it's also cheaper. And also, you can connect to the previous parts like filling machine, and it is easy to adjust, and also controlled by PLC. So adjust the conveyor height and the label parts. Also, the printer you can choose if you like. Okay, we finished today, and thank you for your coming. Thanks so much. Thank you. Bye bye.